Okay, next up, Mr. Wing, Mr. Red Wing, you're next. I'm Dr. Phil. Welcome to the Jerry Show Repair Shop. How can I be of your service today, sir?
Hi, doctor. My condition's really rough. I think I need to be rehauled. Can you think you can help me? Can you do something with my condition, sir, doctor?
Let me see. We got some Vibram soles. We've got some new cork. We've got some new welt. And we got the new renew on the uppers. So let's get started, shall we? Mr. Wing, we're almost done. I think we're all better now. Oh yes, thank you.